A new incredible update came out today for Dogecoin tax. It's important to talk about it because the new proposed taxes have been creating a lot of fear in the market. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. Before we talk about the new update for Dogecoin tax, let's take a look at another incredible news for Doge from today. Oscar Mayer, which is a popular American meat manufacturer, is trying to pump Dogecoin. They're selling a Dogecoin-themed pack of 10 sausages. It says here that there's only one of these that exist, and it costs 10,000 Dogecoins. Now, they're obviously doing this for their own gains, knowing how popular Doge is. But something like this improves Dogecoin's overall brand perception, so I think this is pretty great. Coming back to the incredible update about crypto tax, Cynthia Lummis is adamant about saving crypto users from paying these taxes. If you don't know, she serves for the Republican Party in Wyoming. Now, it says here that Senator Lummis and Wyden are filing a new amendment to the infrastructure bill. The new changes will exempt miners and providers of crypto services to pay these taxes. This means the IRS will be unable to force miners, stakers, and some other crypto firms to disclose the activities of their clients. Now, it says that the amendment will be considered in a couple of days. But the point is that, until then, this news is going to decrease a lot of fear that's in the market right now. People are worried that they'll have to pay enormous taxes and that even their info will be reported to the IRS. But with this, we could see a lot of funds coming into Doge and BTC until the next update comes out. Personally, I think it's likely that the government will make these changes to the bill because the senators made some really good points. Basically, they are proposing these changes because the current bill seems too broad. And the best part is that these changes will lead to the bill raising $5.2 billion, less than the $28 billion initially forecasted by the legislation. So, as I said, something like this could alleviate a lot of fear that's in the market right now. And this is why we have to keep a close eye on Doge and Bitcoin's price for the next couple of days. Moving on, this wasn't the only news that came out about crypto taxes. The CEO of Coinbase showed how stupid he finds them. He basically said that these taxes will hamper the crypto innovation in the US, and this innovation will move somewhere else. And I have to agree with that. Crypto innovation is not going to stop just because the US government is proposing a new tax rule. People in other countries will move forward with it anyway. For instance, one of the biggest news from today was that Uruguay is going to propose a bill to allow businesses to use crypto for transactions. The bill also mentioned that crypto assets will be considered a valid means of payment in addition to those included in the financial inclusion law as long as they comply with the rules set forth in the law and the regulations. So, there you have it. With this, Uruguay is becoming another small country that's moving forward to mass crypto adoption. Moving on, let's talk about some really interesting news for crypto and Doge that came out today. Square's Cash App reported an incredible rise in Bitcoin Q2 revenue. It's said that this happened because of the rising demand for Bitcoin. Another interesting news from Square was that it is going to sign a $29 billion deal to buy the company Afterpay. Basically, this will now enable small businesses to provide buy now, pay later service at checkout to their clients. The customers will be able to pay in installments via the Cash App. Now, this is incredible because it'll make it way more convenient for people to buy goods via crypto now. They'll now have an added incentive to spend crypto at small retail shops because they'll now be able to pay in installments. Now, another interesting news was that the difficulty of mining Bitcoin recently increased by 6%. And this is the first difficulty rise for Bitcoin mining since the massive crash in May. If you don't know, this is highly bullish because this implies that more and more miners are coming back into the market. So, this is what happened previously. China cracked down on crypto and many miners had to close shop. Now, since there weren't a lot of miners out there, the hash rate dropped and then the price dropped and so did the difficulty. This drop in difficulty meant that miners could earn more money with Bitcoin mining due to lesser competition. And after it became more lucrative, more and more miners started coming back into the market, which finally increased the difficulty again. Now, as I said, this is bullish because more miners means higher hash rate. And as I've mentioned in the previous videos, a rising hash rate has a high correlation with a rising Bitcoin price. On top of that, after the China crackdown, more and more countries started installing new mining machines. This is great because this will further increase the hash rate in the long run. It says that over the next few years, Jasmine Telecom Systems plans to deploy tens of thousands of mining equipment in Thailand. Basically, they're preparing to deploy 500 mining machines in the third quarter of this year and an additional 5K machines next year. And by 2024, they plan to install more than 50K mining machines. So, as I said, it's great that the majority of crypto mining won't be done at a single country like China. This won't give any one country the power to cause a crypto crash like the one we saw in May. So overall, in the long run, this is really bullish news for Doge and other cryptos. Before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So you should definitely do proper research before investing anything into crypto. Now, let's talk about Binance for a minute. On Tuesday, it announced a new partnership with the crypto fiat hybrid payment platform Alchemy Pay. Basically, this will enable peer-to-peer crypto payments at over 2 million businesses globally. It says that customers and merchants in the 18 countries where Alchemy Pay operates will be able to pay and receive payments using 40 supported cryptos. And I'm pretty sure that this includes Dogecoin too. So basically, Binance is taking a huge step forward towards mass adoption for Doge, and this makes me really excited. Now, let's take a look at an interesting price prediction that came out today. So, Matt Maley, the chief market strategist at Miller Tabak, said that Bitcoin might go past its 200-day moving average really soon. If you don't know, currently it stands at 44.6K. He also said that Bitcoin has reached that level twice since May, and both the times it has rolled past it. And he also said that a break above that level would make it shoot a lot higher rather quickly. So, in a nutshell, we might need to wait for Bitcoin to go past 44K, but it does look highly likely that it will happen soon. And as history suggests, it'll take Dogecoin's price up with it too. Let's take a look at where Doge is trading right now. Its current price is 20.1 cents. And if you look at the 1-week chart, it suggests that we've been moving sideways for some time. The point is that we might trade sideways for a while. But after we break the next crucial resistance level, the price might shoot up really quickly. In any case, let me know what you think will happen in the comments section below. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.